Hello everyone. In this session, we will insert the text in this particular logo. So let's get started. What I'm doing now, I will make a new group and I will rename this bike. So now I will put all the layers in this particular group and I will of this thing. Now you can see all the layers has been settled in this group. So you can easily select this group and you can drag whole bike. So now I will press Ctrl H to hide this line, or you can also drag this thing. One thing is that my logo has been completed. Now I have to insert the text, so make a new layer and I am going to text tool. So I will select any of the text and what name I will give? I will give old school motor. That's the name of my company. So I renamed Old School Motor. Now what I will do, I will select this and align it. You can also select this off and go to this and choose the highest number, or you can even Ctrl T, press shift button and drag this thing. If you don't press shift button, what happens? See, it will squeeze. It will not increase proportionally. By using shift you can increase proportionally. So enter. Now I want to change my text. The first letter would be larger as compared to the other letters. So what I will do now, I will select this and can go there and enlarge my first letter. Okay, now I will select the whole text, click over here, and with your arrow key in your keyboard you can press downward arrow to see different text. So at first I will see all the text. I think this would fine. And if you go to window and you may have character styles, go to character. Now a new window has came, so I don't need paragraph. I will off this thing. Character window have all the important things which comes into text. So here you have the top and bottom. Here you have the stretch and stretch out. Like this way you can edit your text. So impact is fine, and so you can synchronize your text. Okay, now Ctrl T again to enlarge this thing, and so I will select this one. Now I go into this and I think 35. Yeah, 35 is fine, but still I think I can decrease this thing. Okay, this is fine, -5, and I will put here. And now what I will do, I will of this thing, going to this tool. If you press your button, which is left mouse button, go to custom shape tool. If you go there, here you find a couples of shapes, but see, I have only this amount of shape. So to increase your shapes or to load your extra shapes which is inside your Photoshop, which is hidden by default. So you will go this setting window. There is a small button. You may have all. Click here. Now it's asking about replace current shape with this shape from all. So if you click OK, this shape will replace and new shape will come. And if you select append, this shape will be there and new shape will be added. So better to have append. If you do cancel, it will cancel the same. Click on append. Now new shapes has came and you have couples of different shapes. You can select any of the shapes because I need a this type of sign which is highlight here, at least this one, the box type shape. Inside that box this text will be situated. So I will go there and select a shape which is been suitable to that text. I think this will work. So I'm making a new layer, click and drag. Okay, because your shape is not been rasterized, that's why it's showing this. So to avoid it, make sure that you will rasterize the same. Now it's been rasterized. Photoshop mainly work with raster images and text because Photoshop is a raster software. If you say about Corel and Illustrator, these all are vector software. So if anything will came from outside, which is JPG or PNG, it will first rasterize the same and then you can work easily in Photoshop. So make sure that whatever you will taking from outside, whatever you are downloading, if you call that image inside Photoshop, you have to rasterize it. Now I will change my shape color. So I will select control and click here and I will choose this color. This color would be okay. Let's see. Alt backspace, control D, put this at the bottom. Yeah, it's looking not bad. Yeah, but we have to uh, do some tweaking with this text. So I'm going to FX. Here you have bevel and emboss. What bevel emboss does, if you see the text corner, see bevel emboss, it is embossing the same. See, you can see, don't increase its size too much, otherwise it will feel awkward. So, and there is a crystal hard, there is a crystal soft, sorry. Increase its size, you can see. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so here it's getting problem. Again bevel emboss and I will select this. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, and now this shape part. Okay, what I will do now, let's see if this looks good, then I will put this, going to effects again, bevel emboss, and let's see what happens. Yeah, looking quite well. And now I'm going to this layer. There are two colors, this one, and I will put a lighter color or even darker, let's see. And going to the gradient, I will have 5 gradients here, which is different type of gradients. I will select this first one. Let's see what happens. Okay, control Z, control Z. So I need more lighter color. Control D. So what we have to do now, okay, Control Alt Z. If I select this one, let's see. Yeah, it worked because gradient is overlapping. So what I will do now, Alt backspace. Now you can go to your ellipse marquee tool, go to add, and feather I will put about 100. Let's see, and click. This time I'm not using my shift button because I need some amount of oval. So click and drag. After that, when I put color, Alt backspace, it will color in uh, inside this circle. Control backspace, see. So I don't need this color. So what I will do, I need the outside colors. So once again I will make the oval. Now this would be fine. Now what I will do, if I press Control backspace, it will fill in the center, but I need the outer part. So Control Alt Z for back. If I press Control Shift I, it will invert the same, and Control backspace, Control D. So you can see it inverted, and you may have this border. So what now? Okay, make a new layer, or backspace, pure white, and select this top layer, little bit of, yeah, this would be fine. And what I will do now, I will select this part, Control X and Control V. So okay, Control T. Now take your eraser, go to the softer one, turn this opacity to about 27. With the help of bracket you can increase its radius. Now I will erase the same, the harder lines. So I will erase the same. Okay, make sure that you are making a new version. So I am making a new version, underscore 003, save. Now a new logo has been completed. If you want to put some bevel emboss here also, you can do it. Well, I am showing you. If you like it, yeah, you can put it. If you don't like it, don't have to put it. So, and smooth is not fine for me. Crystal hard is there. It's looking quite good because you have the edges here, and which is like beveled. So like this you can have your logo, and you can put some short of bevel emboss stroke if you need to work with stroke. Yeah, you can put stroke also. So like this way you can add your designs, you can add your effects in this logo or in your logo. So now you have the idea about how to create a transport logo or a vehicle logo. Now you can create your own, either it would be car or bicycle or motorbike. so you can have to create your own logo, and you will get some references also uh, with with this tutorial. You will have to download that reference. If you need, you can have to download, and you can go through the same and create your own amazing logo. So thank you so much, guys.